Despite billions spent on content moderation, extremist ideologies continue to thrive online. When another attack is linked to online radicalization, the common reaction is platforms must do more. But my research shows that while takedowns have increased, extremists simply migrate, adapt, and exploit gaps in our fragmented content moderation system. Focusing on individual platforms like Facebook, X, YouTube isn't enough. When one site cracks down, extremists shift to other spaces. They post their most extreme content on fringe sites while carefully repackaging messages to evade detection on moderating platforms. And recently, some major platforms have loosened restrictions. For example, X cut trust and safety teams, Meta relaxed hate speech policies, making it even easier for extremists to return. The result is a digital game of whack-a-mole. One site bans them, so they intensify operations elsewhere. They use fringe sites or encrypted apps to spread the most extreme content, while crafting toned-down versions for moderating platforms that push the limits on what is allowed. Some embed extremist messages in memes or videos, while others rely on influencers who amplify hate while skirting platform rules. This fragmented system creates many loopholes. Even when platforms invest in moderation, enforcement remains inconsistent across the internet. One site cracks down, just shift the problem elsewhere, leaving extremists with plenty of spaces to regroup, recruit, and incite violence. When we focus on one platform at a time, we're just plugging a single hole in a bucket full of leaks. The water simply finds another way out. Instead of asking how any single platform can improve, my research suggests that we should ask a broader question. What does a coherent, society-wide policy framework for content moderation might look like? The internet has become the 21st century town square, and yet we continue to treat content moderation as a patchwork of private decisions rather than public policy challenge that demands coordination. If we want to break the cycle, we must move beyond band-aid solutions and address the interconnected nature of the online ecosystem. That means developing consistent policies and acknowledging that online extremism isn't just a problem for big tech, it's a collective problem that requires a collective response. We can do better, but only if we stop treating harmful content as an isolated issue and start governing the digital space with the same seriousness we apply to other public risks. Until we do, extremists will continue to exploit the cracks in our system, and the cycle will repeat itself.